Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. We've got 18-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MB Tex interior. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which gives you blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included is smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. USB port. Touchpad for infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLA has 3,569 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.